Well, so much for putting on clean clothes. Here comes another one. I've got a kitten pile. I've got a kitten pile. They're starting to purr, and I'm trying to catch them, but I just haven't caught them on film yet, actually purring, or on video, actually purring, but they are starting to purr. And it's so cute. Yes, it is. It's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Baby. Whoop. So these are what I call my cat shirts. Can you tell? Can you tell? These are my cat shirts. Yeah, no $600 pink mixers for this gal. Just get me some new shirts. Just give me a couple of new $5 t-shirts and I'd be a happy camper. I don't need the $600 pink mixer. Yeah. Buy me some cat food and some t-shirts without holes in them. So, of course, we just ate. They're eating really well. Now, and you hear the other one purring. You hear the chirp. That's the chirper over there. That's Maleficent. She's the chirper. She's another Valentino. And then up here we have Tora. Excuse my recycling, I just didn't get that out yet. I need to put it out on the balcony, but it's so windy that everything just blows, and we're having really high winds. Things are just blowing, like, and everything, because the wind comes down from the, how can I explain it? It blows down towards my apartment. So everything that is on the other side, it comes down to my apartment. So I have everybody, so everybody's recycling bins comes down and blocks my apartment. You hear her? You hear her? Uh-oh. Somebody got a sticky toe over there. See if they'll figure it out. Can you figure it out? Because I can't really get up right now and save you. Ah! Well, Maleficent help. And they figured out how to get on the windowsill. So, yeah, the curtains are probably next. I'm going to have to watch for them because I don't think they're really secure. Little Maleficent, she's a pistol. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go and try to join them? Huh? This one has a beautiful coat color. I love the coat on this one. I'm thinking that this is what is called the classic tabby. And then the stripes are the mackerel, I believe. Yeah, I think so. What do you think? Yeah. So, yeah, look. So much for my clean clothes. I got a shower and put clean clothes on, and I'm soaking my other pajama bottoms in a bucket in the bathtub with some non-chlorine whitener, I guess you would call it. Yeah. Uh-oh. We found our pipe cleaner worm. She's purring, I think. Can you hear her? She's purring. Move the pooper scooper. Clean their box out for them. I had to put a fresh pad and everything in for them today. What is going on over there? Oh, look, that one has another pipe cleaner worm. Oh, that's Masu. Masu loves these pipe cleaner worms. He comes over and he fusses at me until I make him one. He has probably, but I bet you there's at least 30 of those things floating around in the apartment. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed some time with the kittens. They are too cute. And I have, you can see Niffler there. I have that box there to block them off because they don't have a door. So I figured out a way to like just barricade it with some boxes so they can't get out. And I have a door between the kitchen and the back room, but they don't have a... I wish they had a door here. You see, they don't have a door. I don't know why they didn't put a door. It'd be great if they had a door here so you could block off the kitchen, but... So far this is working. I don't know how long it's gonna work until they figure out how to climb, or they might try to climb up the fan. But that's why I sit here, to kind of block them so they don't go anywhere. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.